as you can see here in this column, you can see I generate out a few images from CAPCUT using AI internal function. So basically how to start this animation. So basically you need to first go to media and then go to AI generated, and then at the bottom you have a column. This column you can type your prompt, your description, that what AI picture you want to generate. So basically this is my prompt that I use to generate this top image, 4 piece of image using this prompt. So you can adjust for the style and also the ratio, how does the size of the picture, and also you can adjust for the step. As this step, the higher the step, the more accurate the photo is, but it also takes some time to generate out if you have a higher step. So basically, if you want to have reference how to generate this kind of image, you can press showcase. In showcase you can have some example of image that are generated and its prompt and description written on each of the image, and you can search for your similar photo that you want to generate in this showcase, and you can just copy the prompt and edit the prompt to your specified description. So basically you can see here, this is animate photo, and this photo also looks very nice. So basically you can just copy, for example you can use this prompt and you can copy out. So it basically already copy up and you can just generate out. So for example it takes some time, and you can, as you can see, I have generated quite few of photo, and here you can see all of this can be generated in just using CAPCUT. So that's all. If you want to learn more about CAPCUT, you can check my description and also leave a like in this comment. Thanks for watching.